Welcome back and welcome to Geometry Lesson 1-4. Skill 4, we're going to find the angle measure by using the given information. The given information is, it is given to us measure of angle ABD is A plus 5. It is also given to us measure of angle CBD is 3A minus 5 degrees. I'm going to give you one more information. Measure of angle ABC is 80 degrees. Can you find what is A? And then, can you find angle, let's say, find angle, measure of angle CBD is exactly how many degrees? Okay, all right, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to erase this part, the information part, because I'm going to use it as my paper. Okay, it is given to us the whole angle measure is 80 degrees. Think about our two little sibling stories. We have two siblings. They live in the geometry kingdom, and they're giving money. And the total allowance is geometry dollars is $80 is 80 degrees, okay? Because they're little angles. When I put it together, they become 80. Together means add. Add is angle addition postulate. The first little brother has this much. The second little brother has this much. Okay? Alright, so we're going to add them together. Welcome back to your pre-algebra and algebra 1. Now we can start to combine your like terms. 1a plus 3a, that is 4a. Positive 5 and negative 5 cancel out each other. And a is how many? Divided by 4 each side. A is 20 degrees. You just finished solving the first one. The second one asks you, what is angle CBD or DBC? We know angle CBD or DBC is 3A minus 5. Now we know A is 20. We simply substitute. Substitute means we're going to plug it in. And minus 5 degrees, and we have 55 degrees for angle DBC or angle CBD. That is how you use angle addition postulate and the given information to find the angle measure. Happy learning!